Great. Another day and nothing to eat. Hey, wake up. You're not sleeping through this. Damn, not again. This place is freezing. And I'm starving. Hey, come on. Wake up. We've got work to do. Seriously? You can't just lay there all day. We've got leaks in the roof, and I'm not doing this alone. You okay? You've been out of it for a while. You need to eat something. I'm not letting you lay there while I handle everything. Of course, nothing. Damn it. I gave you the last of it yesterday. I barely had enough to get by. You can't just keep laying there while we have nothing. You need to eat too, or we won't make it. I didn't give you all of my food just for you to keep lying there. We're both hungry, but I can't just keep doing this alone while you sit there doing nothing. Get up. You're not going to get any better if you just lie there. The roof's leaking, the fire's out, and I don't have food to give you. But I'm still doing everything I can to keep us from freezing. You need to help, or we'll both starve. Fine. I'll handle it. Just don't sit there looking like you're about to pass out. I can't believe I'm doing this. I still have nothing to eat. You're still alive, right? I didn't give you all my food just for you to lie there and waste away. Are you really going to let me do this all alone? Are you? You're not going to make me regret giving you everything, right? I can't do this anymore. You still haven't moved. You've been sitting there for hours. You think this is helping anything? You think I'm okay with this? I gave you my food. I'm sitting here with nothing, starving, while you just lie there and wait for me to fix it. It's pathetic. You know, I don't have time for this. I don't have time to sit around and nurse you while you just get worse. I didn't sign up to be stuck in this hellhole with someone who refuses to do anything. What do you expect me to do, huh? You can't even get up to help yourself. I'm supposed to just keep doing everything. Keep giving and giving until I drop. Is that it? No, don't even start. I'm the one running around here, trying to keep us alive, and you're just sitting there, sick. Yeah, I get it. But that doesn't mean I'm just gonna roll over and let you drag me down with you. You think I'm the problem? You think I'm just overreacting because I'm hungry? You don't get it. You don't get it at all. You want to fix this? Do something yourself, for once. I can't keep dragging you through everything. I'm done. I've done enough. If you're not going to help, then don't expect me to keep playing the hero. Trying? That's what you call this? Sitting there while I'm breaking my back just to keep us alive. You're not trying. You're giving up. Stop. Are you serious? You'd be dead by now if I'd stopped. You think I wanted to give you the last of my food? You think I enjoy starving while you just sit there like nothing matters? You don't even care, do you? You don't care that I'm freezing, that I'm hungry, that I'm running out of ideas to keep us both alive. You just... No. You didn't ask for it. But you're still here. And you still ate the food I gave you. So don't sit there acting like you're some helpless victim. You're alive because I didn't walk away. Leave? And what? Let you die here alone? As much as you piss me off, I'm not that heartless. But you... You're unbelievable. Fine. You want me to shut up? Then prove me wrong. Get up, do something. Show me you're not just dead weight. About time. Fuck. Hey, easy. Don't push yourself too hard. Just stay on your feet, okay? I'm not doing this alone anymore. If you're serious about helping, try to start with the fire. It's freezing in here, and we'll both be dead before the roof collapses if we don't stay warm. Well, you could have fooled me. You can barely stand. And I'm supposed to trust you won't set the cabin on fire? Yeah, well, I didn't want to watch you starve to death either. Guess neither of us got what we wanted. Look, I get it. You didn't ask for this. Neither did I. But we're here, and I'm not about to let either of us give up. You think I'm doing this because I like playing the hero? I'm doing it because we don't have a choice. So stop acting like I'm the bad guy here for trying to keep us alive. I am sorry. For earlier. Just rest. You're no good to me like this anyway. Doesn't matter. I'll rest when we're not one bad night away from freezing to death. We can't stay here. No food, no firewood. This isn't going to work. Can't keep sitting here like this, waiting for something that's not coming. Should have left days ago. Finally awake, huh? Good. We need to talk. We can't stay here. Not anymore. This place is falling apart. There's no food left. And you think you're getting stronger just sitting here? What's the plan, then? Starve? Freeze? You want me to carry you and drag everything else along while the roof caves in? Look, I'm not trying to be cruel. I'm just... This isn't working. What the hell are you talking about? I don't care how stubborn you want to be. You're coming with me, even if I have to drag you out myself. You'd maybe last half a day out here on your own. You can't even sit up without looking like you're about to pass out. Don't you dare pull that martyr crap on me. I've already given up everything to keep you alive. My food, my sleep, My sanity? You think I'm just gonna walk out that door and leave you behind? Don't what? Don't keep you alive? Just shut up and let me do what I have to do. I get it, you're tired, you're sick, and yeah, this whole thing sucks. But sitting here waiting to die isn't an option. I'm not letting that happen. You're not doing this alone. You hear me? We'll figure it out. But you have to trust me. Because if I don't care, who will? Alright, come on. Get this on. It's not much, but it'll keep you from freezing for the first 5 minutes. Put your arm in here. There. That's better. This better not become a habit. Don't think this means I'm going soft. I just don't want to deal with you freezing halfway down the road. What? You think this is funny? Yeah, well, laugh it up all you can. You're about to hate me when I make you walk. See? You're already proving me right. Yeah, I have to do it. Now shut up and hold on. Alright, enough stalling. Let's move before I change my mind. Keep moving. Don't stop or you'll freeze. Yes, you can. You don't have a choice. Don't start with that again. I didn't drag you out here to listen to you give up halfway. Just focus on putting one foot in front of the other. I'll do the rest. Of all the things I thought I'd be doing with my life, hauling someone through a damn storm wasn't one of them. I told you to stop saying that. You think this is easy for me? You think I want to be out here dragging you along while I'm starving and freezing too? But I'm not leaving you, so shut up about it. Damn it. You're trembling. What the hell am I supposed to do now? You can't even stand anymore. Hey, don't do this. Stay with me, alright? Don't apologize, just hold on. Stop talking. Save your energy. What I need is for you to stay alive. So shut up and let me think. This is insane. I'm insane. Because someone has to do it. You're not getting rid of me that easily. How much longer do you think you can keep this up? You've been slowing me down for hours. Come on, what the hell's wrong with you? Move. Not this again. You're really just gonna collapse on me now, huh? You've got to be kidding me. I told you to stay on your feet. Get up. Damn it. I told you to keep moving. You think I've got time to baby you? We're both starving, and I'm not carrying you. This is ridiculous. Stay awake. You hear me? I didn't ask for your apology. Stay awake. That's all I need from you right now. God damn it. I'm not dragging you back, Don't expect me to do everything. Stay awake. I swear to God, don't make me carry you. I'm not letting you drag me down. You hear me? Keep your eyes open. Quit apologizing. You're making this worse. Just stay awake. This is ridiculous. If you pass out, I swear. Just stay with me. You don't get to quit. Not like this. Please. You're just making this harder than it needs to be. I can't believe I'm doing this. You're heavy. Don't make me regret this. This is your fault, Stay awake. We're almost there. I swear. Next time, don't make me carry you all the way back. All right?